The Optim Smart Ring is being marketed as a high-tech, compact health tracker promising accurate monitoring of heart rate, sleep, stress, and more. But a closer look reveals strong signs of a typical smart ring scam. First off, the primary vendor domains, optimring.com, optimusmart.com, etc., all have very young registration dates, January-April 2025, and low trust scores. Griddensoft flagged optimring.com as suspicious with only 19,100, and Scam Advisor rated optimusmart.com a high-risk site that may steal data or send junk merchandise. The sites aggressively push PayPal and credit card payments, common for dropship scams, but rarely provide verifiable owner details or legitimate regulatory disclosures. Positive reviews on vendor pages sound hollow and share the same stock photo vibes seen across clone rings. Meanwhile, Reddit users describe identical patterns: no shipments, unresponsive support, and delayed or missing orders, echoing the notorious Titan longevity and vital health ring cons. 1279 to 0, one reviewer warned, it's a fancy pre-populated deceptive marketing template, clone ring, picked up for $20 or less. And another said outright, do not buy the company, the smart ring, absolute trash. Even supposed perks like sleek design, long battery, and health insights appear pulled from generic product pages, hardly substantiated by real reviews. Legitimate trackers like Aura, Ringcon, and Ultrahuman consistently outperform these clones in accuracy and reliability, a sentiment echoed in Reddit threads. In short, Optim is just another clone ring scam. Flashy promises, shady websites, ghost support, and zero accountability. If you've placed an order, consider a refund via bank, PayPal, and report the seller. For real insights, stick with established smart rings, not inauthentic copies.